Welcome home. Come explore the Florida lifestyle and enjoy this generously proportioned 2/2/2 residence overlooking this peaceful Inverness Golf and Country Club community, in rolling greens of Inverness. This high and dry home sits at the apex of the community. Check out the views. Also, take advantage of no required HOA fees and optional golf club membership. Take a short golf cart ride to the golf course or explore other outdoor recreational options such as boating, kayaking, canoeing, paddle boarding, fishing on the lakes from Eden Drive Park. You'll enjoy being conveniently close to shops, schools, restaurants, or go trekking/fishing/camping at Fort Cooper State Park. This 3,000 square feet plus, under roof, home has generously proportioned rooms so that you can entertain to your heart's desire with a formal living room, family room, formal dining room and spacious kitchen that also allows for eat-in dining. The rest of this immaculate and broad floor plan includes several closets throughout, an oversized master bedroom ensuite complete with 2 walk-in closets, spacious bathroom which includes a separate shower and lovely jetted tub, plus another sizable guest bedroom that leads out to the enclosed porch and has direct access to the main bathroom. Indoor laundry room for your convenience with lots of storage and screened porch where you can rest, relax, reduce stress and enjoy your favorite beverage with friends. This one owner home needs only one thing, you. Call today for a private tour.